Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5281P. It's a 2021 Chevy Express cargo van with 80,000 K. Nice clean van, interior is nice and clean. No dings or scrapes or bangs or anything on it, looks pretty good. Out back, we've got a bulkhead, got shelving on both driver's and passenger side. This one up top has also got a nice double hydraulic drop-down ladder rack. Drops down on both sides. You can put either a step or an extension ladder up there. Out back, we do have a backup cam. Inside, again, shelving on both sides. This one's also got a rear heater in it as well. This one was a passenger conversion, so it's got some ducting in the ceiling as well, which is nice for keeping tools and stuff warm in the wintertime. Pretty sweet with this one. It also comes with a 6.6 as well, so if you do need to lug around some trailers or anything like that, this one's definitely got plenty of power for you. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt, and cruise. And again, there's a rear heater in this one. Be great for electricians, plumbers, HVAC techs, general contractors, painters, anybody that needs a nice, well-outfitted, low-mile, newer cargo van like this. It would be a great addition to your fleet. Get stock number 5281, 2022 Chevy Express.